Hi there, I'm Katya, and this is the current state of my closet. I know it's a little bit scary, but you know what they say. New year, new me. Recently, I find myself sticking to the same few outfits, even though I have so many clothes in here. Currently, it's sorted by color. I'm going to reorganize it by style, and I'm sure I could get rid of a couple of things in the process. This way, I can look for pieces by length, occasion, and other more relevant categories than color, which will hopefully make it a little bit easier to pick out outfits on the daily. So I have one main closet, but it has lots of different sections, including shelving on the inside of both sides of the closet, the main hanging space, which is cut off by the dresser and the laundry hamper, and an external rack. First things first, we need to remove everything from the closet so I don't feel inclined to keep things just because they're already inside. You really don't realize how many clothes you have until you see them all laid out on your bed like that. This side of the closet stores everything I'm selling on my vintage shop, so if you want to help me clear it out, you know what to do. Oh no! I got it. I don't got it. What is in here? Just miscellaneous. Gotta have my Puss in Boots hat. Wait. On guard. I decided to start at the bottom of the closet and work my way up. I've been curating my shoe and bag collections for quite some time, so I've gotten to a point where I want to keep all of the pieces because they each serve a different function in my closet, except for this one pair which I will be selling. Intimidating. I'm gonna start with the clothes that I have listed on my vintage store. This is basically all the inventory I've collected over the past 4 or so years of selling on Depop. Some of these are pieces from my own personal closet that I just don't wear anymore, and others are items I bought specifically for the shop. But I'm honestly looking to cut down this part of my closet too, so I'm pricing everything a lot lower than I initially had it listed for, even the designer items. It's Feriya on Depop and Poshmark, and I also have an Instagram for that brand if you're curious or just want to follow along. But yeah, enjoy the rest of this slideshow. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like it, but we have made some progress. Look at how much space there is here if you move this and that and this. Woo! Full disclosure, it is 10 p.m. at night. And I'm planning to stay up so I can finish cleaning this. There's stuff at the bottom of the closet. I can't really hang anything that's longer than this length. Most of these jackets I've had for quite a while and they have survived many closet cleanouts. I will try them on for you and you'll see the vision, okay? This incredible leopard print coat. Come on, how could I get rid of this? Next up, we have this tan corduroy jacket. It just has like a nice oversized fit. I've thought about getting rid of this jacket before because it's a little like worn out, but I think I can just use the peeling shaving tool. Then it'll be good as new. This one I honestly bought just because it's my favorite color. You can't actually wear this in New York winter unless you have multiple scarves and sweaters underneath. But doesn't it just look so darling? Every time I wear this jacket, I get so many freaking compliments. Don't mean to toot my own horn, but this is one of my favorite purchase decisions, okay? The color blocking is perfect. It has like a beautiful slouchy fit and it makes for the most interesting outfits. Like you could style it with any one of these colors or even just like an all neutral or black base. Also, it really has held up super well over time. This is the perfect jacket. Next up is the Sam Edelman leather jacket I got as a gift. I love how it has gold accents because my other two jackets have silver accents. This one I thrifted in Los Angeles. It cuts off at the perfect point right near my waist and it hits really well at the shoulders and it makes me feel like cool, edgy girl who wears leather jackets and like totally likes motorcycles and tattoos and stuff like that. I definitely am one of those people, if you couldn't tell. On to the next jacket I'm definitely keeping. It's a longer line leather jacket, so it cuts off right at my knees. Sorry, my heater wanted to say something. No, go ahead. The floor is yours. You know, I was just thinking that as well. Somebody had to say it. You know, nobody has said it. It had to be said. Anyways, then I have these two leather blazers that I got from Colombia. And I also got this two-tone vest as well that I like to wear with this jacket. These are my two fur coats. This is a vintage Penny Lane jacket from the 1970s. And then this one is just a simple white fur to spice up any kind of formal look. I might not be able to finish this all tonight. So right now the priority is moving everything that's on my bed onto this rack. I just want to get the hangers off of my bed and then I think I can leave the majority of my folded clothes just on the floor for now. But ideally I want to put them all into one corner so I can actually walk around my room. I know exactly what each of the piles mean. This is an organized mess. Good morning. Today we're gonna tackle the rest of everything on my floor. There's only this much space left in my closet. The majority of these things are not being donated. I've just noticed that I have so many statement pieces and the reason I get overwhelmed while styling is because I have a lack of basics. But it's just not fun to buy basics, you know? It's not fun to be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get a black t-shirt. A lot of my t-shirts have sentimental value, but I don't need them here because I don't wear them as often. These are the shirts in question. I'm just gonna separate this out based on what I'm gonna bring to my parents' house and what I'm gonna keep here.
A few minutes later.
This is exactly the problem because this is my keep pile and that's my send away pile and this is my donate pile. So, well, at least I'm doing something. I already put some pants away in these drawers, but I realized because my pants are heavier materials and there's less of them, it's less likely that I'm gonna mess up the shelf by pulling them out. My shirts get messed up way more easily than my pants. It's hard to grab something because it gets blocked by everything that's hanging on a rack. And by putting my shirts here, I'll have better unobstructed access to them. It's almost done. I'm so happy. progress update. I moved everything that still needs to be organized in one place, but the floor is mainly clean and the closet is almost ready. She is almost done. But it's already looking so much better than before, and I'm really excited to finally finish up. Good morning. Ow. Good morning. It's finally time to try everything on. Even though this turtleneck on all accounts looks like it's a fine turtleneck, it actually is very high quality and it's warm on the inside. Just because it has one slight error in fit, it will just send me into a spiral and then I won't like my outfit because I'm like, oh, but it looks so weird in that one place. And I think it's because of the cut of the sleeves here. And then also around the stomach, it's like weirdly loose. I prefer my turtlenecks to be like this. I really want to get more basics that fit me right. See, this is another turtleneck where the fit really bothers me because it's not like bad, it's just not good. I'm also not a huge fan of horizontal stripes. I just bought this during the height of e-girl fashion and I was really into dressing that way. But now I have no use for this top, so hopefully she goes to someone who will love her more. Now this is the kind of fit I'm talking about in a turtleneck. This color palette is my color palette. I'm a true autumn. I just think brown and other similar neutrals, reds, oranges, yellows, and that kind of warmer side of the spectrum looks the best on me, but it's just itchy, so I don't wear it. This sweater, I love the fit of. It's so flattering, especially on the sleeves. I can do this and be like Ariana Grande in 2014, but I'm not 100% sold on the color. I think I might keep this for a bit though, because if I style it with other darker colors, I think it might get rid of the effect that it's having on me when I wear it just like this. It makes me so sad when I come to the decision to donate things that I thrifted. I was supposed to be the one who saved you, but here I am, donating it right back to the thrift store. This shirt I don't hate, but the only reason I kept it from my initial few closet cleanouts is because it's black and white. Maybe this used to be more my style before and then I sort of grew out of it. A great tip for cleaning out your closet, you can try something on that you already own and pretend like you're in the fitting room. Are you gonna buy it if you didn't already have it? Would you look in the mirror and be like, yes, I need to have this? Or would you put it back? If you would put it back, it's going in the donate pile. This top is definitely meant to be worn with a lighter shirt underneath. I think my style is starting to mature a little bit, so this feels outdated. This shirt was the envy of every girl in 2018, and I fell victim to the trend cycle. It's so magical and whimsical. This one I'm also gonna try to keep for 3 months, see if I can style it. This shirt I wanna like so freaking bad. It's perfectly Y2K, and it has this beautiful ruffling in the front, which I don't have a lot of pieces that have something this intricate. I think it may be like a size too big. I actually bought this for my Puss in Boots costume, and I think it served its purpose perfectly. And I got it from Depop, but I might have to repop it, guys. I might have to pop and lock and drop it. I might have to stop, drop, and roll. I might have to repop it on Depop and then hit a pop and lock. Excuse the lighting change, the sun is setting because I'm taking way too long to try everything on. This denim skirt I don't hate, it just rides up really easily, but I think the fit of it is really nice. This dress is super flattering, and even though I love this color as a concept, I think it washes me out. So I really want to curate a warmer tone closet overall. This is another piece that's like remaining from when this used to be my style, but it just isn't like this anymore. Folding technique could use some work, but I'm honestly just super excited to be able to see everything I have in my closet and to have everything accessible. I already know this is gonna make a huge difference in my morning routine. And that's my closet all clean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in here. Let me know in the comments when the last time was that you cleaned out your closet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!